Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify vicinal diol units in each structure. IChO4 cleaves each pair of adjacent OH groups, vicinal diols, consuming 1 mole IChO4 per cleavage. Moving on to the next step. Free OH groups at C to C3-C4 and CH2O at C6. The ring oxygen prevents C1 from being a free diol. Vicinal diol pairs C2-C3, 1 mole, C3-C4, 1 mole, C4-C6 via C5, the C5-C6 unit, CH-CH2O is equal to 1 mole. Total is equal to 3 moles IChO4 consumed for X. And for the final step. Structure Y, methyl glucoside with oxygen on the other phase. The ring oxygen is on C2 side, making C2 an acetal, no free OH at C2. Free OH at C3, C4, C6, CH2O. Vicinal diol pairs, C3, C4, 1 mole, C4, C5, C6 unit, 1 mole. Total is equal to 2 moles IChO4 consumed for Y. So answer A, 3, to option D. Step 4, Part B, formic acid. Each internal ChO that is cleaved on both sides gives Cu. For X, C to C3, C4 each give Cu 2 moles Cu. Internal carbons C3, C4 give formic acid, C2 gives formic acid too, but check, 3 cleavages on X yield fragments from C to C3, C4 as Cu is equal to 2 moles formic acid. For Y, only C3, C4 are internal 1 mole Cu. Answer B, 2, 1 option B. Step 5, Part C, formaldehyde CH2O, primary alcohol, cleaved gives HCHO. Both X and Y have 1 CH2O, C6. Each gives 1 mole HCHO. Answer C, 1, 1 option A. Therefore, the correct answer is A, D, B, B, C, A. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches D, B matches B, C matches A.